Sugar is a pleasure of several individuals. Although the delicious crystalline carbohydrate appears to be in everything, too much of it can be harmful to our health. Sugary products can be difficult to resist, and some of the worst offenders include sweeteners, carbonated beverages, candies, and cereals are all examples of products that fall into this category. The American Heart Association recommends that males should consume 150 calories or 37.5 grams of added sugar a day, and women should consume 100 calories or 25 grams, an amount that is easily surpassed by drinking 1 can of Coke. The various bodily manifestations of high sugar consumption astound the majority of individuals. Did you guys know that one of the indications could be soreness in the feet? Sugar, together with refined carbohydrates and trans fat, is one of the substances that causes inflammation in the body, including your feet, according to Sherry Green, a podiatrist from New York City, in an interview with Everyday Health. You should be on the lookout for physical signs. Your body can give you a lot of information about how much sugar you're eating. Here are some warning signals that you're consuming too much sugar. 1. Breakouts on the skin. Acne and rosacea are common in those who are susceptible to an insulin rise caused by increased sugar intake. High sugar intake can leave a mark on one's face in as little as a few days. If your skin is constantly breaking out, which doesn't seem to heal after therapy, it's possible that your diet needs to be improved. 2. Gaining weight. Sugar is devoid of protein and fiber, resulting in overconsumption since it does not satisfy hunger. The more sugar you ingest, the more calories you consume. Sugar stimulates the production of insulin, a hormone linked to weight gain. Insulin resistance develops when the body's response to normal insulin levels is impaired. Insulin resistance is connected to both weight gain and diabetes. 3. Have an obsessive desire for sweets. Sugar is very addictive because the more you eat, the more you desire it. The sugar, like drugs, provides a short-term high accompanied by a crash, making the body need more. Excessive sugar consumption not only causes cravings, but it also causes your taste receptors to adjust to the quantity you're ingesting, requiring you to consume more to achieve the same sensation. 4. Cavities. Have you noticed that you have more cavities than normal after your previous dentist visit? Perhaps it's time to reduce your sugar intake. The sugar you ingest is consumed by bacteria in your mouth, which generates an acid that leads to tooth decay. Cavities are caused by a series of processes in the mouth that are triggered by sugar. 5. Foggy brain, particularly after eating. Brain fog is one of the most prevalent signs of low blood sugar. When you eat too much sugar, your blood sugar levels increase and fall quickly instead of gradually. Controlling blood sugar levels incorrectly can increase the risk of cognitive problems and disability. 6. You have a lethargic feeling. If you're always fatigued and drained of energy, it's likely that your sugar intake is to blame. Blood sugar stability is closely linked to energy stability. Eating too much sugar will put you on a blood sugar roller coaster. It's critical to keep your blood sugar levels in check, since too much can lead to weight gain as well as a depletion of natural energy and ability to concentrate. 7. There isn't enough sweetness in the world anymore. Sugar overuse raises your taste bud tolerance for sweets, making fulfilling a sugar need more difficult than it needs to be. 8. A horrible attitude. Excess sugar consumption can have a negative impact on both your physical and emotional health. When you consume too much sugar, you may realize, or others may notice, that you are considerably moodier than normal. Mood swings and irritation can be caused by blood sugar peaks and drops. Anxiety sufferers may find that these drastic fluctuations in blood sugar levels exacerbate their symptoms. Have you appreciated this video? Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to see more videos such as this one. Thank you for taking the time to watch. Also, keep an optimistic outlook on life.